stay alive. Your lives.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स एंड वेलकम टू एसके ड्रीम्स। इस वक्त मैं एडमिंटन सिटी के बॉर्डन पार्क में हूँ और यहाँ पे एक फेस्टिवल हो रहा है जिसका नाम है पम्पकिन आफ्टर डार्क। तो यहाँ पे जितने भी एग्जिबिट्स हैं वो सारे के सारे पम्पकिन से बनाए गए हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से उन्होंने कार्विंग की हुई है और मुख्तलिफ डिस्प्लेज इन्होंने बनाए हुए हैं। तो आज मैं आपको इस पूरे पार्क में जो भी एग्जिबिट्स हैं उनकी सैर करवाऊंगा, वो चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। बस आप मेरे साथ रहें और इस खूबसूरत फन को पूरी तरह से इसको महसूस करते हुए एंजॉय करें। Let's begin our exciting journey at the entrance of Pumpkins After Dark, where online tickets are being scanned. Please remember, tickets must be booked online in advance before coming to the event. Now let's talk a little bit about the event. Pumpkins After Dark is Canada's award-winning outdoor Halloween experience. Visitors walk through stunning illuminated pumpkin sculptures and artistic installations that bring Halloween to life. And now look at this. The largest pumpkin in the world. It weighs an incredible 1247 kilograms and was grown by a farmer from Minnesota in 2023.
Seeking mummies, mummies, zombies giving us whispering skulls, chopping pumpkins, talking witches, scrolls, and screaming banshees in a punch bowl.
Viewers, every sculpture you see in this exhibition is carved entirely from pumpkins. Here is a live demonstration by an artist. Let's watch how she transforms real pumpkins into spooky works of art. It's truly fascinating and mind-blowing to see her creativity in action.
And the trick is that if you don't put holes in them, like those ones they're not gutted, the guts are still in them. If you just use a regular old vegetable peeler and take the skin off, then you can use these tools like this one, and like this one. They're called loop tools. Pivot tools are used for pottery. You get them in any craft store. Once you take the skin off, watch how easy it is to make a mark. So instead of sawing away and cutting your fingers off, you can just use little tools like this, which is safer, and they last longer if you don't gut them.
Nice. This illuminated pathway stretches for about 1 kilometer and usually takes 1 to 2 hours to explore. Along the way, you will encounter all kinds of displays from weird creatures to pop culture icons. Each one is hand-carved and beautifully lit, creating a magical and unforgettable atmosphere. Edmonton's Borden Park has truly been transformed into a glowing Halloween wonderland. The event is self paced, one directional, and please note, re entry is not allowed.
To stay alive, your body will start to shiver. For no mortal can resist its bitter
वैसे ऊपर से जब लेंगे ना तो शायद कुछ अच्छा इमेज आ जाए.
You can't stop the things I do. I lie. Been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's hell to pay. I trust on you.
Wonderful.
For us to grow, grow, grow. Ooh, ah. Give us eyes of mouth and a nose, but we can't move for a lack of toes. A top or that we have a handle.
Lift it up and blaze the candle.
Off to
This night will meet you when you get to my door over in Borden Park. Then you can monster man and do my graveyard smash. You'll get on in the house. Then you can monster man.
If there's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
So friends, if you are looking for something fun and unique to do this Halloween season in Edmonton, Pumpkins After Dark is definitely the place for you to visit. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos from local festivals and events.